So we're back at it again. I got the 3 bolts installed, just like it shows. So next one is, I guess it's the other end of the saw bar attachment. So I'm gonna go out in the shed here, in the shelter, and get this piece. See what goes on. So that's what that is. Next page is maybe it's for attaching this. I don't know. We'll see. Next page. Okay. So now we're back to this piece over here. So that's what that piece is, already on. Okay. Not sure what that piece is. Okay, so that's what that is. And that view is this view. Ah, okay, now we're getting somewhere. So now we need the drip tank. Drip tank is in the shop. I'll have to go get that. And some screws, I guess. Now, where is that aligned to? That goes right there. Alright, go get the jug and we'll go from there. Okay, so we got the tank, goes in position like so. And stainless steel screws, locking nut, and 2 washers. So what goes next? Oh, that part's done. Next page. Right, so that's what it looks like. I guess that tab rests on some part of the mill. Let's take another look here. And those here push up against the chassis of the saw. So see where that goes in relation to the saw. So I'm guessing maybe there. Or maybe it's on the other side. And does the carriage stay on that side, or does the carriage stay on this side? He's got C-clamps, and that, I guess, for positioning or something, but it's hard to know which. So yeah, which side does it go on? So let's go dig a little deeper then and see. Figure out from these photos. It's putting on the sprocket. And that's the bar we can put on there. That's putting on the tube for the oiler. And that's putting on the guard for the tip of the bar. Yeah, okay, so maybe we can get underneath and find out what that pokes into. It's either going to be up in there. Oh, maybe not. Must be the other side. With the blade off. Guess I'll have to get the blade off and then go from there. The blade's got to come off anyway, so I'm guessing blade and that guide. Alright, so get an Allen key, pop that off.